Have you noticed the massive trend of anime motivational quotes on YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels taking the internet? Yep. Anime is one of the most watched genres online. It's resonating with millions of people, racking up millions, even billions of views. Creators are making crazy money from these videos. Take Badass020 on YouTube, for example. With 1.7 million followers and over 1 billion views, can you imagine the kind of money they're making? It's crazy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create viral and monetizable motivational anime short videos using free AI tools. To create our awesome anime videos, here's what we need: the script, voice-over, AI image generation, which we will generate using Shaker AI, a powerful image generation tool that creates high-quality stable diffusion models and consistent characters, even better than Mid-Journey. Turn AI images into video. Combine everything to make our final video. Stick with me, and in just a few minutes, we'll have our anime video ready using these steps. The first step is to get a script for our motivational short video. To achieve this, we'll use ChatGPT to help us craft a good motivational quote. So, we'll head over to ChatGPT and give it this prompt to create quotes. Once we've given ChatGPT the prompt, in just 2 seconds it will generate some cool quotes for us. Let's use the fourth one. The next step is to generate anime images for our video. For this task, we will use Shaker AI, which is an excellent AI tool specifically designed for creating anime videos and generating high-quality anime images. Shaker AI stands out from other tools like Civitai because it offers a wide range of high-quality models, including SD models, for various creative purposes such as portraits, architecture, illustration, 3D animations, and e-commerce. It does not have NSFW models, ensuring a safe and professional environment. Shaker AI allows users to upload and download SD3-based models, a feature not available on Civitai. If you join their membership, you gain access to exclusive models that can be used for commercial purposes. I recommend using their high-quality models like A1111 for fashion photography and concept art. These models provide advanced features and are easy to operate, making them ideal for generating images that meet specific creative needs in photography, design, and more. To start using Shaker AI, click the link in the description below. Once you're logged in, you'll see a page like this. Pick the option that best describes you. For this video, I'll choose AI Lover. Then, click to continue. Next, choose what you're interested in. You need to select at least 5 interests. We'll pick CG, blind box, fantasy photo, film, and fashion shoot. Finally, click Start Skaker, and you'll end up on a dashboard like this. You'll receive 200 free tokens daily. With these tokens, you can generate images for your shorts each day. To create our anime images, scroll down and choose an anime image to use as a model, or click on the AI generator to create your own model. Let's select AI generator for our project. On the right side, type your image prompt in the box to instruct Shaker on what image to generate. Then choose a suitable base model. For our project, we'll select an anime base model. Next, choose the enhanced model LoRa of your choice. After that, select the appropriate image size, 512 by 768 for YouTube Shorts and Reels, and choose the number of images you want per generation. This process will use only 2 tokens, so click Generate. In just a few minutes, our anime image is ready. Repeat this process to create more images for different scenes. Next, we'll create the voiceover for our video. For this, we'll use 11 Labs, a powerful AI voice generator. I recommend 11 Labs because it produces natural-sounding human voices without sounding robotic. The link to 11 Labs is in the description below. To generate our voiceover, copy your script and go to 11 Labs. Paste your script into the text box. Then click Choose Voice to select your preferred voice, with options for different accents like American, British, Australian, Canadian, and more, as well as male or female voices. For our video, let's use Adam's voice. Adjust the settings to optimize the voice quality. Finally, click Generate. In a few seconds, your voiceover will be ready. Click Download to save it. Now we have all the images we need for our video. The next step is to turn the still images into moving videos. We'll use a simple but powerful AI tool called Runway ML. You can find the link in the description. Go to Runway ML and sign up for a free account, or sign up using your Apple or Google account. After verification, you'll reach the home page. Click on Generate Video, and then try Gen 2. Upload the first image you made with Shaker AI. Once it's uploaded, click Generate. This will turn the image into a 4-second 3D animation video. When it's finished, download the animated video. Repeat these steps for all the images you made for your story. By the end, you'll have all your animated videos ready for the final step. The final step is to combine the animated videos and the voiceover to create the final anime short video. For this, we'll use CapCut, an easy-to-use online video editing tool that makes it simple to combine all video elements. Click the link in the description to create a new account. Start by clicking on New Project. Upload all your video elements, including the animated videos from Runway ML and the voiceover from 11 Labs. Select the 9:16 dimension, which is the perfect size for shorts. Drag the voiceover to the timeline below and arrange the animated videos in the correct order just above it. CapCut offers various transition effects to add style between each video segment. Try out different options to find the perfect fit for your video. Moreover, CapCut allows you to seamlessly include captions or subtitles, making your video more accessible and engaging. To add captions, go to the text menu on the top bar and select Auto Captions. Experiment with different styles to find the right match for your video. Lastly, enhance your video by adding background music that complements your story. Use the CapCut audio library for free royalty music. Choose a track and place it on the timeline under the voiceover. Once you've completed these steps, your video is ready. Let CapCut render and blend all components and then export the final product. Your finished video is now ready to be uploaded to your channel. Now that our video is complete, let's watch it together.
The only limits in life are the ones you set for yourself. Break free from self-doubt and aim high. Believe in your capabilities, and remember, greatness is achieved by those who dare to dream big.
And that's it. By following these steps, you can start earning money from your channel quickly. Remember to stay consistent with uploads and engage with your audience. So there you have it, an easy way to create viral anime shorts. If you found this helpful, like our video, click the subscribe button, and we'll keep bringing you more money-making tips. See you in the next video.